Hey y'all, it's Kathleen Henderson from Yankee Homestead. I have a super quick tip for you about getting rid of hiccups with essential oils, or one essential oil actually, which is peppermint. The next time you get hiccups, try this. Put 1 drop of peppermint in the palm of your hand. Then you're going to rub your hands together and cup and inhale like that, and take a few deep breaths and continue to inhale the peppermint aroma until your hiccups subside. How easy is that? So the next time you get hiccups, give that a try. And if you like to get quick and practical essential oil tips like this, I'd love for you to subscribe to my Yankee Homestead YouTube channel. Happy oiling! I'll see you next time.